Hi, I'm Mark from PWS, and today I'm going to show you how to fit an Arena 300 larder in just a few easy steps. First, the larder comes in one box and there's no handing to worry about. Let's have a look inside the box and see what we've got. One instruction leaflet, 2 door jointing strips if required, 2 door brackets, 1 bottom runner and guide, 1 top guide, frame connecting screws, 5 baskets, and 1 height adjustable frame. Now I'm going to show you how to fit it. Minimum cabinet depth you need is 500mm. Mark out the position of the bottom and top guides as per the instructions. Top tip is to make your own template. Remove the runner from the bottom guide and fix it. Adjust the height of the frame to suit your cabinet. Remove the inner runner and attach to the frame. Mark out the door for the 2 door brackets as per the instructions, where X is the door overlay at the bottom of the cabinet and Y is the internal cabinet height. And fix top and bottom brackets to the door. Connect the frame to the top of the door and slide into position. And click the bottom into position. Place the runner into the guide. Connect the door and frame into the runner. Fix the frame connecting screws. Now attach the 5 baskets. Adjustment is with a screwdriver. Up and down, side to side, in and out. Just to recap, mark out the position of the bottom and top guides and fix. Fix the main frame onto the runner. Connect the door to the main frame and click into position. Push forward into the bottom and top guide. Check the mechanism runs freely. Hook the 5 baskets onto the main frame. And that's it, how to fit a 300 larder in a few easy steps.